We're all together na kami!
Ako, bibilan ko talaga kayo ng flowers. Hi everyone, it's me Delcy and welcome to another vlog. So this vlog, I don't know pa guys if I'll post it on YouTube or in TikTok. So let me see pa. In this vlog, we will be having a 5 days trip with the girls. I'm with Ate Cass, Zai, and Ate Abby. And also we're meeting with some friends too. So it's just, gusto ko lang siya i-vlog for memories and stuff so that I can look back later. So yeah, come with us guys in this vlog and yeah, see our ganaps and stuff. And I hope we will enjoy all of the things that we will do in this vlog. So yeah, keep on watching! This is how I look right now kasi I'm getting ready and I'm just waiting for my mama to pick me up. So yeah, I'll show you the fit guys. So top is from Shein. The skirt is from Ukay. And nails is from Nail Floric. This necklace is gifted by Mela and Ate Therese from Pasco's. This one is from Kmart lang guys. Kasi I don't usually buy like mga ganong ano kasi nawawala ko sila. So yeah. Yeah, this is the nails guys. It's my first time to have nails. And it's like, parang ang weird pala ng feeling na parang ano na yung nails ko. Mahaba siya. But it's okay. I'm gonna get used to it. So yeah. See you guys! So this is my food. I just microwaved some eggs and bread. And then I have watermelon. And then I'm gonna watch YouTube.
Ay nako, ganyan din ako. Yes, I love it! Gawin mo lahat-lahat. Bongga! Nakatuktok! Kailangan maglaban naman tayo sa house. Yes, yes! Guys, you know, first time ko magpapa-consume. Oh my God, it's your energy na pa-consume ko pa ito. Kasi hindi kasi, huwag ka na po-consume, di ba?
Hi guys, so I'm currently waiting for the bus because it's already 2:30 and the bus is at 2:45. So I'm kinda early today. Bye! Si mama guys. So yeah, see you everyone. I think I'll just sleep lang sa bus kasi kulang yung tulog ko. Oh my gosh. So, hi guys! Guys, nandito na sila! Oh my gosh!
Kamusta yung ano mo, flight?
Flight! Ah! Ano ba naman yan?
Ano yung
We are so back! Oh my gosh! Hello guys! So, we're here na. And
Go! This is what we bought guys. Bumili ako biscoff and matcha powder.
vloggers! Guys, so bibili siya ng ice cream. Imnida.
Sa likod ko Asian talaga.
Show your ice cream, guys! Thank you po, Ate Ka. Hi guys! Update! Nasa stuck na po kami sa traffic in Nida. And we're going to, ano nga yun ate? What night market?
Botany.
Botany night market guys. It's my first time and gusto ko na magbukbang.
Bimmer,
Who?
masarap talaga ng kebab doon.
Manda.
Bibili tayo, be. Hindi
Yes! Humanda. Dahil kami ay magmumukbang. I'll take my pride. No, I'm not blind. You see me through. You changed my life just for the thrill. I'll take tonight and die on this hill. Hello guys! We're here!
It smells like barbecue and...
True! Nagugutom na ako guys. Like talagang wala pa tong kain.
Bakit there's some music?
Ewan ko na. So we're gonna meet Ate Abby guys. Kasi miss na namin siya. Oh my gosh! Girls! 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 Kikita na kami guys. Finally. Imnida. Imnida! So this is the fit.
Top is from Valley Girl, bottom is from Supre.
Hey!
Top is from Shein, Valley Girl, and Miru.
From Shein, Ukay, Miru, and ganun lang. Panty namin guys. So,
Naki.
Birkin!
Yeah.
Ano yun?
Miss din kita. Nag-vlog guys. Hi guys, we're all together na kami. Ito yung ano mo.
So guys, nakaka-overstimulate pala dito. Oh my gosh.
It's a
Thank you po. So guys, nasa Botany Market kami and ito yung mga ratings namin sa Food Imnida.
Me, my rating is a solid 9, 8 out of 10.
Ikaw ate.
Ako 10 out of 10 kasi nakakain ako ng
Ikaw ate. 8 out of 10. Guys, buhay ko out of 10. As a family girl, this is so sulit.
Guys, ang sarap!
The sip of the coke of the industry. Guys, the aftermath.
Hi everyone!
So guys, we're gonna unbox our Christmas gifts kasi 3 months kami hindi nagkita so hindi kami nag-celebrate ng Christmas birthday! Oh, at siguro muna, isang tao muna, tapos parang kaya
Una.
Opo.
This is for Ate Abby.
Ay,
Ay, hindi, mali.
Sabay na tayo mag-open.
And this is your all one as well.
Thank you, Imnida.
Ako muna. Okay. Go. Hala?
Pikit ah. Ay, Epal. Epal.
Okay, open. My melody. Let's open nyo. Oh, ano to?
Whiskey?
Ah! Barbie! Sabi ko na! Sabi ko na, Barbie!
Guys.
From Japan.
Straight from Japan.
Yes, Japan Imida Kamsami.
Do we open it now? Let's open.
Uy, wait lang. Antayin niyo ako.
Ay,
Kasi siya, babe.
tagal kasi. Tagal mo kasi.
Wala pa may makeup na kayo.
Yes!
Paano to? Hindi ko na
Be, meron talaga siyang pang-shade.
Twist?
Pop?
Ano yan? Monday, mama.
Paano bang magmahal? Paano bang magmahal?
Ano ata siya pupush dito?
Kaya nga parang...
Paano?
Ay, nasa plastic pa siya, guys. Okay.
Ay, sa ko hindi.
Bakit di rin mo?
It's a keychain!
Oo, isa phone. Hindi ito sa phone.
Gusto ko yun yan. Ay, hindi. Gusto ko to.
Uy, open nyo!
Guys, help me.
Kasi
Hala, parang ang OA ata ng gift ko sa inyo.
Totoo, be. Kita mo. 2, 3, go. Open.
Ay, ito!
Wala, cute!
ay,
para same
mo
ata
sa
kayo.
kasi the other day here.
Team Chismosa.
Ako parang bata!
Guys, ayan yung gusto ko.
Ayoko.
Wag.
Thumbnail tayo,
Wait lang. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Ate.
Cute. Wow.
So, this is for Zai Zai.
Thank you,
For Ate
Wow,
Yas.
bigat ah. Uy, ano to?
And then for Ate Yas. Ate Abby, dito ka mo sa gitna.
Ayun, ate, ikaw mauna tayo.
Pag na-open mo yan, manganganak ka na.
Okay.
Ito, B.
Ayoko sa ano to. Ano to?
Napanood nila tayo.
Wala, ang cute. Thank you, big guys. Meron na ako pang outfit.
May desk ako.
Wala, kandila.
May last for like, yung sa'yo, parang matcha strawberry.
Uy, yung bungo. There is a beautiful mug. Meron akong pang matcha ko, guys.
Drive goes down.
Guys, on that side of the
Wala,
wall.
pwede ko na tayo sa desk ko. Yeah. And then just go down.
Oh no, you can't take
Hindi
the
daw
car
siya may
down.
tuturo
though.
kung saan.
Lip balm, guys.
Hindi daw siya may tuturo kung saan.
Kung alam mo taga dito, ano?
Up and down? Yeah. Thank you.
All good. Guys! And there's one more, guys. May mirror na ako sa desk ko. Business! Oh my gosh, I love.
Winbird?
I
Pang corpo girl yan.
Yes!
That
Corporate.
was the,
Corporate.
that was the one na gusto ko sa'yo. Pero sabi mo like, gusto mo cute. So, yan na lang.
Patawa ko kanina ate pagsunod namin sa sa bus. Ang laki ng bag.
Alam mo,
Outfit. It's okay, ate. Ang buhay! Ang buhay! Guys! Bigawin mo tong dramatic to na pa.
so yun guys, that's our exchange.
That's our
day.
Yay!
Hi everyone, that's all.
Anong address na dyan?
Hello guys! Update! Kami ay... Where are we going?
Punta ka na Jean Blend.
Yes, we're going to Jean Blend, Scott, and Z.
32 na 32.
Ano, magpaalam ka namin or itatakas ka namin? Ikaw pumili.
Magbe-bleach daw siya.
Tingin.
Naka-uniform pa siya.
Ano pa to?
Hi guys sa vlog namin. Hey! Hello, hey!
Lavender.
Hi guys! So today we're at Ate Abby's car. And we're gonna have bingsu imnida for tonight. Meat fresh. We're gonna grab some guys, dessert. With Ate Abby and Shanara babes.
Bye, Ate.
Bye, ate.
I love you.
See you Friday.
Bye. Bye, guys. Grabe mga lover girl to. Bye-bye. Cute. Hi guys! Life update. Kami ay mag-gym.
Sige, mag-drag ko bro.
Gym kami guys at kami lang ni Ate Cass dahil ang isang Zycota ay isang hindi gym girl. Yes. Meron sa amin kasi yung alam ko yung demo. Sa sa ang kasama ko for today's video. Sarap! Update, we are done na sa gym at nandito na kami sa House Imnida and magsho-shopping yung mga person na to. My gosh, budolch na naman. Hello ladies and gentlemen. Hello. Guys, update, we're going to, saan nga na mall tayo ate? Albany Mall to do some shopping. And I think revisit kami ng room if meron sila doon sa Mecca. So, yeah. Kasi ano lang nila guys, kakabukas lang nila. So, we're gonna visit. And sana hindi kami mapulog ng so much. So, yeah. See you! Go na yan! Okay, sino yung happy na girl na yan?
Eto, bibilin ko na siya guys. Wala na akong pakay.
Guys, so may nabudol na. Twinning na kami tomorrow guys kasi meron na akong shoes na girl. Ate. Ayun pa din naman siya.
Pwede naman.
Pero hindi talaga. Hi, so no. Budolch. Guys, ayoko na sila kasama. Naka $100 na kami.
Kasi kahit ano gusto bilhin ko, bibilhin mo na.
Kasi nandito na tayo eh, di ba? Living the moment.
This is called YOLO.
True. Pati sa socks, guys. Same kami talaga lahat. So guys, magtatana na sila. Naghahanap sila ng rice cooker.
Siyempre, ano ba papakainin mo?
Di, nag-aaway na naman tayo talaga dalawa. Patingin nga ng ID ko.
Pangit din.
Ay, pwede yung selfie?
So, can I just do the pearl milk tea, please? 30 sugar, 30 ice. Yeah, I'll just use the card.
Nice.
For today, may rice cooker na kami nila.
Yes, may pangsaing na.
Meron na kami. And then meron kaming gongcha. Number 7.
Ako, Starbucks.
Ay,
Nagdalong kayo ng movie pagbalik.
yes. 7. 6, 7.
Go!
Thanks guys for watching.
Go! Pala si Cass. Cass
King.
ng buhay ko.
Buti ko ang ninyatang din.
True.
Wala siya.
Guys, the damage has been done. So we're gonna go home na and rest. Kasi ayun na naman kumastos. Ang hirap maging babae. Guys, labas na naman kami.
Pero
Bibili kami ng mga kailangan namin kasi mahirap mabuhay dito. We're here, guys! Yes! Ito yung happiest world in New Zealand, guys. 1, 2, 3, package! You're saving, but you're like packing. Ano daw?
sa wax naman. Guys, here siya may dental
Bibili
floss.
siya pang tingnan.
Tapos, healing inner child
Kinder
with
Joy.
Kinder Joy.
Tatlo kami, guys. And i-unbox namin siya sa car. Imnida. Thank you, Mama.
Okay guys, this is our
Open.
Kinder Joy.
Unboxing.
Mag-open kami. Ano yung chocolate o yung toy? Yung toy na lang. Yung toy na lang.
Oh my gosh, na-miss ko.
Ayaw.
Saan yung chocolate? Ito yung
Ito yung toy, pe. Ito yung toy. Okay, let's open.
Guys, kami siya ma-open. No, wait lang.
No, wait. Wait, let's...
Ay, akin yung babae. Sino yun? Yung kasama ni Harry Potter sa school
Hermione?
niya? Oo, Hermione.
Sino to? Yung akin kasi ganito siya.
Ako lang din, ganito din siya.
Ganito.
Yan siya, guys.
Akin may butas sa ulo.
3, with the chocolate bag, gusto nyo?
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God.
Parang Ferrero talaga siya.
Oh my gosh, this feels like childhood, guys.
Talagang matitis mo yung nuts, chocolate, milk of it. Nang ano naman?
Ano? Sarap din. Isulat ko ito. So the editor na 10 out of 10.
Ikaw, ate.
Alam mo, masarap po siya.
Hala, kasi walang gulay. Magkakatulungin sila, guys. Kakatulungin sila. Kakatulungin sila. Nakuha mo yan. Magkakajowa ka this 20 lang.
Gusto ko sa'yo pero. Go. Ay, kasi yan ang tabakan niya. Hindi one more chance.
Is it her lucky day?
Sabi ko ba masyado
namin na ako. Bibilan ko talaga kayo ng flowers. Ano ba naman? Ang hirap mo i-surprise! Ano ba naman yan? Happy Valentine's! Thank you po so much. Yes, thank you po. Yes, thank you po. Love it.